Your competitors are getting traffic from keywords you've never even thought to target before. This one report shows you every single one of those keywords in about 30 seconds. So I'm Travis. I'm the founder of a digital marketing agency that's helped generate hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue from SEO for businesses all across the world. And today I want to show you exactly how you can pull your competitors' keywords and the gap that is essentially dictating where they're ranking and you're not ranking in about 30 seconds so that you can analyze where you might want to go after some additional keywords. First of all, you're going to log into Ahrefs, go to the top bar and put in your URL, and then click the search bar here. Then you click on Content Gap on the left side. That will take you to this page. And you're going to need to put in, when you do the Content Gap, a competitor. So I'm looking at Best Buy and Office Depot. There's 72,000 keywords that are showing up here. And it's going to show either, there's different ways where we can filter this out. The target's paid position. So this would be the target, which is our website basically. And then the competitor's position, right? So we can eliminate these if we want. We could just show, our target's position. And then you can even show the paid position as well. Oh, I forgot to select the actual competitor here. So we can see a few different things in this full breakdown. I know I was just playing with the filters. You can play around with those however you want, but you'll see that Best Buy is ranked not at all for these keywords, whereas Office Depot is ranked for these specific keywords. It's showing us the amount of traffic that they're getting, their ranking position. Now, some of these Best Buy's not going to be able to rank for, like Office Depot, right? That's the name of the company. That company, Office Depot, is going to rank for that keyword. Some of these as well, like Staples, right? That's a competitor brand term. They're not Staples near me. It's actually kind of funny that they're competitors showing up in an AI overview, but just in one specific area. Either way, this is going to give us essentially a whole list of keywords where the competitor is ranking, but your business is not, assuming that you've put your business and one of your competitors in here. From here, I like to just export this whole list. There's 96,000 keywords on here, so I'm not going to export all of them. I might just export the top 1,000 here. We can actually sort these by like organic position, or maybe organic traffic would be a better way to sort this. So you can sort by what's getting them the most traffic. A lot of this is branded terms for Office Depot and Office Max. I'd probably just skip right past all those. But then we get into like school supply store, right? Best Buy is not ranked for that at all. I don't know that Best Buy really wants to be ranked for that because they don't necessarily sell like pens and paper and stuff like Office Depot does. But you get the idea. We can start sifting through all these different keywords, going from page to page to figure out where our competitors are ranked for keywords that we might want to be ranked as well. Then we can develop, a strategy for getting ranked by looking at what they're doing on the page that they have ranked and then sort of working backwards from there to figure out exactly what we need to be doing to get results. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. If there's anything you did have questions about, though, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours. and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.